Yo, welcome back to another episode of the NBA 2K24 Rebuilds. This is the second part of the two-part series. How can we fix the Clippers, basically? One option was traded Harden. We made the playoffs. We got eliminated in the second round, I believe. I feel like we could have won the whole thing if we did the Simcast strategy, but I didn't feel like it, so we failed, technically. So this episode, we're going to see what happens if we trade Westbrook. So maybe I might do a part 3 and 4 and see what happens if I trade Paul George or Kawhi, but we'll see. But as of right now, the top two options people are saying online, people are clamoring about trade Harden, trade Westbrook. So with this episode, we're going to trade Westbrook and see what happens. Obviously, we're going to make some other moves to try to build the roster to make it nice and complete. So with that being said, make sure you like, comment down below, subscribe, put a notification so you know when we upload. With that being said, let's get into it. So let's see what we can get for Westbrook. But first of all, before we do that, Norman Powell. Oh yeah, because Westbrook's coming off the bench, so I think we should try to get a shooting guard. Yeah, probably a better shooting guard. So Norman Powell can come off that six-man role once again. So let's trade Russ in a second and a first. Why not? Bobby Portis, no. Caruso, no. Derek White, nah. We got Derek White last episode. Keegan Murray, Mitchell Robinson, Roy. Actually, let me move the camera as well. Obi, no. Dyson, no. Jalen Duren, no. Schroeder. What happens if I do these two? Let's see. Portis, Drummond, Okoro. Yeah, I don't want Derek White. Mitchell Robinson. Can you get anyone? How about this? If we added someone, maybe if we do two first, like future first. Derek White. It's still Derek White. Let me add a first and a player. Let's do him and PJ Tucker. Because we don't need PJ Tucker, to be honest. Caruso, no. It's the same team players. Oh, we can get Austin Reeves and D'Lo. Ooh. Honestly, I don't mind that. So far, I'm gonna stick with it. Who else can we trade that has big money? We're keeping Terrence Mann. Honestly, let's see if we can get with Daniel Tice. IQ? No. Oh, I can. Oh, yeah, I might. It might be Reeves. You know what? Yeah, give me Reeves. Give me Reeves and D'Lo. Then I'll see if I could trade D'Lo. I say D'Lo might be a. Nah, I don't feel like we need D'Lo exactly because we got Man. What can I get for D'Lo? I'm just curious. D'Lo, Oubre, Marcus Smart. Oof. I would love to have Marcus Smart back. IQ and Mitchell Robinson as a backup. Honestly, and you have a good backup center? I'm not mad at that. Cam Thomas, Braun, Heald and Toppin for shooters. Duren. Honestly, give me the Knicks. Yep, give me. I'll take IQ and Mitchell Robinson as backups. I like that actually. Yep. So, yeah, actually, Mitchell Robinson can start. We'll have Zubac as a six man. So quickly and IQ and Norman Powell. Ooh, that's a great bench three. Zubac, Powell, and Plum and IQ. So we got Zubac. Maybe trade for power forward. Yeah, so we don't need Terrence Mann anymore. So let me see what I can get for Plumlee and Terrence Mann. Honestly, maybe let's try Highland because we don't need Highland. I need a good power forward. Trendon Watford, Holt Alvarado, Isaiah Joe, Kyle Anderson. Nice bench one. Kevon Looney. Kispert? Corey Kispert. In a second, let's see. Drummond. Sam Hauser, no. Nick Richard, no. Christian Wood, a nice backup power forward would be nice. Chetty, Nasir Little, Bobo, Trey Man, no. Jabari Walker, no. Looney, no. Honestly, give me Christian Wood and he'll be a power forward. Or I could just make. How old? He's 6'10". I could just probably switch him to power forward. Yeah. Let me switch Plumlee to power forward. Easy. Reeves, boom, boom. Honestly, I like that. We need to try to away not Bones Highland because we don't really need him. Highland and get Primo off our team immediately. Let's see. No. Drummond and a pick. Oh, I might get him. Hold on. I like that rookie. Yeah, I'm going for the rookie. Yep, I'm going for the rookie. Give me him. Yep, I will take it. I like this rookie right here. Yeah, sorry, man. You're the odd man out. So it'll be IQ, Powell, Quez, Plumlee, and Zubac as our bench. Yeah, sorry, Terrence, man. You know what? I'll ship you off someone nice so you can get some playing time. Boom. Bang. Cavs, no. Grizzlies, no. Hawks, no. Honestly, we'll keep them along for the ride. Fuck it. Okay, so our official lineup: Harden, Reeves, Paul George. Actually, who can I get for Reeves? I'm just curious. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm just curious. Reeves and Mann and a first. Rick Lopez. Ooh. Malik Monk. No. Hardaway. Claxton. Oh. Aaron Gordon. No. Jalen. No. Jacopoto. No. Devin Vassell. Who could shoot better? 3-point range. Oh, I might do Vassell. Who has more badges? 4. Yeah, so far it's him. And yep, Anthony Simons. Give me Anthony. Oh, Harden, Anthony, Paul. Hold on, we cooking. And Jabari Walk. Oh yeah, let's see how this goes. So, yeah, I like this team. Harden, Anthony, Paul George, Kawhi, Mitchell Robinson. We don't have a big that can shoot, but we don't need it. Oh, let's see how this goes. So, we're gonna sim. I'll try to sim it all the way to trade deadline, see if we need to make any changes, but we'll see you there if we do. If not, we'll sim through the entire thing. So where is it? Sim through date. Let's go. So far. Oh wait. There we go. Okay. Oh, we're on a little win streak. We're on a little win streak. Oh wait, was that Bradley? No, actually no. We need Bradley Beal anyways. Too many mouths to feed. Yeah. So far we're what? 18-3. Ooh, so far doing a lot better. Decline. Valanciunas for Mitchell Robinson? Nah. So far we're 26-4. I can't mess up what we got so far. We're cooking right now. I can't mess with it. Yeah, I think we might just send the rest of the year. We might get the number 1 seed, not gonna lie to you. Thank God we traded Reeves. So. Okay, so far Lakers up 11. No, Lakers down. Up 9. I guess the Suns. Let's see. Grayson Allen's at the free throw line shooting free throws. Honestly, wow. Grayson Allen knocks down both. Suns down by 8. Yeah, let's see where our team's at the halfway mark. So, Paul George leading the team in points, 21, 6, 4, and 1. Hey, nice, almost 2 steals a game. Wow. James Harden, double, 15 and 10. We don't need him to score a lot. We just need you to facilitate. That's tremendous. And 1 steal a game. Turnovers, okay, about 2. Anthony Simons, the second leading scorer on the team, 18, 1, and 4. Wow. Kawhi Leonard, 16, 5, and 4. I mean, IQ is averaging 16 points per game as well as a 6-man. Zubac 9, Powell 9, the rookie. Yeah, the rookie could be better, but wow. I like this team so far. This is a good team. What's the 3-point percentage, everybody? Paul George, 35. James Harden, 44% from threes. Anthony Simons, 35. Kawhi Leonard, 30. IQ, 30. So far, Norman Powell, 35. How much is Norman Powell averaging? About 10 points a game. Not bad. Yeah, so far, we're 7th the rest of the year. We're 7. We're 7 the rest of the year. I don't know what to tell you. No. Yeah, 47 and wow, we have a okay. Let's win some games though. Come on. There we go. Much better. There we go. Can we get a 60-win season? Come on, let us get a 60-win season. Good Lord. Good Lord. Good Lord. Okay. Come on. One more. Let's go. 60-win season. 62 and 16. Good lord. Yep, and it's wrong. And it's wrong. 66 and 16. Luka, finally a different MVP. Luka MVP, Victor Wembanyama Rookie of the Year, Chris Paul Sixth Man of the Year, Miles Turner Defensive Player of the Year, Most Improved Christian Braun. 11 and 5. What? How? Okay. Clutch Player of the Year, Trae Young. Coach of the Year, Tyronn Lue. Let's get it. Okay, Connor Ball Executive of the Year, because we balled out. Any Clippers? We got any Clippers? We got any Clippers? We got any Clippers? No Clippers. Wow. All defensive team. Any Clippers? Damn, no awards for us? Good luck. All record. Okay, we got Yami Yaquez. We'll take it. It's something. Oh. You know what? If we lose. Oh. We made it to the Western Conference Finals. Paul George, your MVP. Wait. Okay, now we'll simcast. Clippers, Bucks. Oh my lord, we actually made the finals. So let me simcast this correctly. The Bucks. Yeah, Harden. Oh, Harden 88, Simons 85, Paul George 90, Kawhi 90, 84, 82. Wow, what a season. Okay, so bang. Okay, Lillard. We have Terrence Ross? The hell? Honestly, Paul George. Paul George, honestly. Kawhi. I guess Harden? Simons. Nah, I think Simons could play better def. Nah, Harden's a bigger body. Simons. Mitchell Robinson. There we go. Play through. Oh no! Wow. Get to the basket. Shoot at will against shooters open. Play through. Start now. Neutral offensive focus. I guess. Everyone on this team can shoot besides Mitch. Neutral. Shoot at will. I'll say patient offense. Boom. Protect the paint. Yep, I guess this team. Play physical. Crash the boards. Yes. Hold on, let me move this out the way. Some crash, some others run. Yep, perfect. Okay, there's a lineup. Okay, so, Simcast. Rotations. Damn, this fell quickly. Okay, let's get it. Oh, we almost lost that. Oof. Okay. More. Okay, so same thing. First scoring option, Paul George. Has been Anthony, then Kawhi. I say Harden. Let it be Harden. I say no. Let it Kawhi. Yeah, Kawhi. Rotations. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Bang. Oh my lord, we might blow them out the water. Oh no, they came back, never mind. Fight. Thank God. Okay. PG's 36 points. Good shit, PG. Let's see. Yeah, we're playing through PG. PG. Anthony, Kawhi. So give more minutes to Zubac. Give less minutes to IQ. Okay, so Kawhi, more minutes. Zubac, more minutes. Okay. Let's get it. Yeah, they need to get their get back game. Or come back. Oh, they won by 2. Oh, that's fine. They barely escaped. So we need to get more minutes to keep it with Paul George, Simons, Kawhi. Oh, do we got them figured out? Do we got them figured out? Yes, let's go. Sim through game. Yes, we won. Let's go. Clippers close out Bucks to win the NBA title. Let's get it. We are champs. Well, I would say we, because fuck the Clippers, first of all. But I'm a Celtics fan. But your MVP, your finals MVP, Paul George, 26, 5, 8, 2, 0 blocks. 48% from 3? 60% from the field. 50% could be better, but it is what it is. So, that is your championship. Your finals team, your championship team for the Clippers. Final, James Harden, Anthony Simons, Paul George, Kawhi Leonard, Mitchell Robinson, IQ, Zubac, Norman Powell, Mason Plumlee, Jamie Jacquez Jr., Jabari Walker, Terrence Ross. So, hey, Terrence Ross retired with the ring. Shout out Terrence Ross. Amir Coffey, Kobe Brown, and that's it. So, hey, that is another championship for us. Hey, I guess trading Westbrook is the problem. Is the answer. Not in real life, obviously this is 2K, there's a lot of things going on, but we traded for Harden. We could have won if we did Simcast, but we traded for Westbrook and we did Simcast and it worked. So I don't know what the next team's going to be. To be honest, I'll do some guessing around, but we will see you in the next episode. Thank you for tuning in. Make sure you like, comment down below, subscribe, and put on notifications so you know when we upload. And with that being said, we'll see you next time on Baller Central Gaming. Yeah. Let's go. Okay, so I'm going to end stream real quick to start a new one. We'll be right back. I'll be back in like 5 minutes, tops. Deuces.